Are you looking to achieve that sharp, defined jawline without hassle of mewing? You're in the right place. When it comes to getting a good jawline, there is a lot of misinformation and unnecessary advices in social media. I'm going to give you the most effective techniques that can help you achieving proper jawline. I have done a lot of research for this video and removed a few things that I know practically people will not do. For example, every other video will propose mewing. However, if we're being very honest, you won't be going to mew for 2 years in the hopes of improving your jawline. First, let's clarify what we mean when we refer to a great jawline. When you look in the mirror and think, man, I wish my jawline was sharper, what you're actually noticing is a combination of few things. First one is your bone structure, which acts as the framework for your jawline. Your lower jawbone or mandible regulates the overall shape of your jawline. The wider and more broad jawline looks more attractive. When it comes to your chin, a strong, elevated chin will really bring out the soft material in your jawline. I'm talking about the skin and the layer of fat under this. The natural face of your jawline is more clear when you have less fat here. And the next is masticatory muscles, which you use to chew a gum. This gives a well-toned mass of muscle to your jawline and gives more squared-off appearance. When it comes to your neck factor, neck's shape and size can either highlight your jawline. If you have a sculpted neck and less fat here, people may notice your jawline. To get this type of neck, there are specific neck workouts, and better posture can help you to accentuate your jawline. When it comes to your skin fat, your jawline looks more defined if your skin is tight and elastic. When our age drops, the jawline will also drops. So that regular cleansing, moisturizing, and the application of sunscreen can maintain your skin tight and elastic. It all comes down to the angle between your mandible and ear. The sharper this angle, the more defined your jawline will appear. Fat percentage in the body. Your natural jawline will really stand out if you have less body fat overall, because there won't be as much fat there to hide it. Finally, the posture. Keeping your head high, neck long, and shoulders back may help to define your jawline out of all of these factors. How you carry yourself can greatly affect how your jawline or posture looks, especially if you're looking down at your phone or slouching over your computer, which can give you a double chin even if you're slim. Your jaw and neck muscles can be toned with the help of these focused movements, giving you a more defined appearance. They are neck stretches and exercises like chin raises in your regular regimen. Do these exercises consistently, then results can appear slowly. Make sure to subscribe our channel that you won't miss our valuable content.